Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be looking at removing rust. This is surface rust that's on this lock, and we're going to be using the solvents from the PB Blaster or WD-40. They can actually be very useful in removing surface rust. Now, I would recommend wearing safety glasses and gloves with this. It does smell pretty bad too, so make sure the garage is open. We're going to go ahead and spray some on here, and if you want, you can soak it overnight if it's really bad, or if you want it to break it down while you're sleeping. It definitely helps to let it soak. So we're going to go ahead and fill this up, and we're going to start hitting this with a nylon brush. You can use more abrasive brushes, but if there's a finish on it that you don't want to ruin, then you might want to start with something first like nylon. And so I'll put some links in the video description where you can find these. But what's really going to help is if you come in with a power tool, it's really going to speed things up. And so we went with our little drill here and just kind of cleaned up this, and then we switched to the stainless steel brush, and that really helps. But again, just make sure that the finish is kept in mind. You don't want to destroy if it has a plating on it, but this worked out pretty well. It still was nice and smooth when we were done in the end. So that's a very quick way that you can get rid of some surface rust, and just remember, it does smell pretty bad. You do want gloves on, you do want safety glasses on, and work in a well-ventilated area, but it does a pretty good job if you have some of this laying around. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please check the video description. I have a full playlist of other videos that I've done around the house, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.